Then with that, the court calls State of Michigan versus Brent Matthew Lindeman, Lindeman. Today is Wednesday, December 24th, 2025. It's 10:11 a.m. Again, I'm Magistrate Godsey, 55th District Court for Ingham County. This is a remote holiday video arraignment. Mr. Lindeman appears before the court via Zoom video conference. And with that, Mr. Feigelson, good morning. Your appearance, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Stephen Feigelson on behalf of Mr. Lindeman today. He enters a not guilty plea and requested and has made an application to our office.
All right, thank you. So, Mr. Lindeman, the court does have this one-count criminal complaint before it alleging that it's against you, alleging that on or about December 23rd, 2025, at a location described as 2040 North Aurelius Road, City of Holt, County of Ingham, State of Michigan, which the court understands to be the location of Buddy's Bar and Grill in Holt. Allegations are that the defendant did make an assault or assault and battery upon Victoria Meeder, Meeder, an individual with whom he had a dating relationship. This is referred to as domestic violence. It is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in the county jail and or $500 fine. Do you understand the charge the court has read to you as well as the maximum penalties?
Yes.
All right. Court enters a plea of not guilty to protect your rights moving forward in this matter. I've also made a note that you are applying for the public defender's office to represent you as your case moves forward. We have you scheduled to appear at the 55th District Court in person for a pre-trial conference in this matter on Tuesday, January 13th, 2026 at 1:30 p.m. You'll get a copy of that notice to appear handed to you before you are released from the jail. Our courthouse is in the exact same building as the jail that you're sitting in right now in Mason, Michigan. Any questions so far?
No.
All right, Mr. Feigelson on bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Good. Mr. Lindeman has no prior criminal history, is from Holt, has an associate's degree. Your Honor, he is employed. He works for Michigan Department of Transportation. He does have a separate address from the alleged victim. I believe he can avow himself to the court, not have any contact with her. I'd ask for a PR bond today.
Thank you. All right, we're going to go over some of your bond conditions, Mr. Lindeman, which are just basically the rules that you must follow starting now and until further order of this court to make sure that you stay out of jail. You will also receive a copy, complete list of your bond conditions. That document's called a pre-trial release order. You'll actually sign for it and then receive a copy of it before you're released from the jail. Of note are the lettered boxes A through U. Any of those boxes that are checked apply to you. Any box that's not checked, you can just skip. No alcohol. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any alcohol. No illegal drugs. No marijuana. You're subject to random drug and alcohol testing. You're not to purchase or possess any dangerous weapons of any kind, especially no firearms, no ammunition. You're not to engage in any assaultive, harassing, threatening, intimidating, stalking behavior toward any person with whom you've ever been married, with whom you share a child in common, or with whom you have ever resided. Those conditions apply also to Victoria Meeder. And also with regard to Miss Meeder, starting now and until further order of this court, you are not to have any contact with her, direct or indirect. Not in person, in writing, social media, phone calls, texting, no jail phone calls. You're also prohibited from having somebody else reach out to her on your behalf. That's third-party communication. It's also prohibited. I'm required by law to inform you if you're found to have violated the court's no contact order, you'll be immediately rearrested by the first police officer who finds you. It's a substitute for an arrest warrant. Thereafter, you could be charged with a new criminal offense called contempt of court. Also, the court is ordering that you are not to be present at any place or property where Miss Meter lives, works, or attends school until further order of the court. Any questions about those conditions? No, thank you. All right, court sets bond at $2,500 personal recognizance. The personal recognizance part is the most important. That basically tells you that you don't have to post $2,500. You don't have to post any money at all. You won't have to post a money bond as long as two things are true. You come to court and person is scheduled, and you follow all of your bond conditions. Any questions, Mr. Lindeman?
No, ma'am.
Okay, anything additional, Mr. Feigelson?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, Mr. Lindeman, you're all set with our court. Good luck to you. You could step out of that room and let the deputies know that you did get a PR bond, and I'll have the paperwork to them shortly.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Take care. We're just going to stay on the record, Mr. Feigelson.
Yes, Your Honor.